It's Thursday, December 9th, 2021. I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny shot of daily crypto news. Happy to report that no news stories today relate to up or down swings in crypto prices. After the last few days, my stomach is finally settling. And here are the headlines. First up, let's chat about the crypto hearings on Capitol Hill yesterday. 6 crypto CEOs urged U.S. politicians to provide greater regulatory clarity on digital assets during a hearing in Congress. However, the entrepreneurs also warned that overly strict measures could force some of the sector's biggest firms to move overseas and could stifle and cool the industry entirely. The hearing was expected to be a combative affair where Congress would likely take the opportunity to attack crypto businesses. However, instead of hostility, FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried called the hearing, quote, productive and helpful, unquote. Some lawmakers even praised the crypto sector, with Republican Congressman Peter Sessions saying, quote, I am tremendously impressed. I see a lot of ingenuity and a lot of entrepreneurial spirit, unquote. But not all members of the House Financial Services Committee were up to speed on how crypto works. Representative Brad Sherman is one of them. In 2018, he said Facebook's digital currency, quote, may do more to endanger America than 9/11, unquote. Yesterday he said, quote, the number one threat to cryptocurrency is crypto. Bitcoin could be displaced by Ethereum, which would then be displaced by Doge, which could be displaced by Hamster Coin. And there's Cobra Coin. What could Mongoose Coin do to Crypto Coin? Unquote. What did I just read? Moving on. Crowdfunding site Kickstarter has announced that it's creating a decentralized version of its platform that will live on the blockchain. The company says it will be available for collaborators, independent contributors, or even Kickstarter competitors from all over the world to build upon, connect to, or use. Once the protocol is built, Kickstarter will move over. To pull off these radical plans, Kickstarter says it has chosen Celo, describing it as a carbon-negative blockchain platform. And finally, Reddit has confirmed that community points are being rolled out to more subreddits, and interested groups can now join a waitlist. Until now, the Ethereum-based tokens have been limited to our cryptocurrency and our Fortnite BR subreddits. These community points can be used for tipping, increasing voting power on polls, and snapping up items that are unique to each community. They also serve as a way of building a user's reputation. And if you'd like to build our reputation, you can do so by liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and clicking on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso goes live. If you want to read up on our headlines or the world of crypto in general, don't be shy and ask Alex in the description below. I've been your host, Andrew. This has been Crypto Espresso, and we'll see ya tomorrow.